Good morning and welcome to Sulsel Update in English with me, Rasni Gani. I'm bringing you to the latest news update from South Sulawesi, covering information of economic, politics, education, and lifestyle. And here are some of the stories making the headline this morning. This is a good news for you all who loves traveling. There's a place called Bukit Kambo Highland in Palopo, South Sulawesi. It could be your choice for you to spend your beautiful weekend. This has been one of the most favorite tourist attractions in Palopo City, South Sulawesi. There are so many visitors coming from residents in other cities. To take there, visitors can drive a car 10 minutes from the city center of Palopo. Along the way, visitors will be pleased by the beautiful scenery, green hills, and foggy roads. The entrance fee at Bukit Kambo Highland for weekday is 40,000 rupiahs, while weekend 55,000 rupiahs. The manager of Bukit Kambo Highland, Muhammad Firmansyah, said that the entrance fee covered most of the attraction. The facilities provided including swimming pool, cafes, prayer rooms, restaurant, villa, artificial photo spot, and others. For those who stay overnight, don't worry about the accommodation because the owner will give you a reasonable price rate starting from 1 million rupiahs per night. Now moving on to the next top story. A man killed 3 members of his own family. He has been arrested, a group of officers from local police department. This incident happened in Erang-Erang village, Tompobulo district, Bantaeng Regency this Tuesday. The perpetrator, named Akmal, killed his mother, father, and older sister. The incident went viral in social media. Based on the information from the resident, Akmal was determined to kill because of the motorcycle. A resident Dama said that before the incident, Akmal asked for money to buy a motorcycle. It was rejected by the parents. Akmal asked for saving while working as an Indonesian worker in Malaysia. In the first place, he had planned to buy a motorcycle using that money. Since then, Akmal has started to show strange behavior. He jumped from his house with no reason. In another place, the head of Erang-Erang village, Kaimuddin, explained the chronology of the incident. Akmal ordered his little sister, Nurul Awalia, to buy a cigarette. At the time, Akmal was angry after waiting for several hours. Akmal and his little sister argued. Suddenly, Akmal attacked his sister with a kitchen knife. Luckily, the younger sister ran away, but she suffered severe injuries due to hitting by a knife. Meanwhile, his sister Soleha, who came to intervene, was also stabbed. Soleha died after Akmal attacked her neck. The parents tried to help Soleha. Unfortunately, Akmal also attacked his father and mother. That's all for today. Update your information at tribuntimur.com or watching our YouTube channel Tribun Timur, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thank you for watching. This has been Rasni Gani.